Hey friends, it's Mr. Francis. St. Patrick's Day is coming up, or if you're watching this video a little late, it already happened. But St. Patrick's Day always happens in the month of March. So I'm going to read you a St. Patrick's Day story. And there's always talks about leprechauns. And so I'm going to read you the story of how to catch a leprechaun. Words by Adam Wallace and pictures by Andy Elkerton. And here is the cover. I see that little green guy. Yeah, let's see where he's going. How to catch a leprechaun. The night is dark, the streets are quiet. St. Patrick's Day is near. I tap my hammer so you'll know the leprechaun is here. I'll pull out all your laces, put glitter in your hair, and when you walk around, you'll see my gold coins everywhere. You'll never catch me in your trap, but yes, I'll make a scene. I'll turn the whole place upside down, and your toilet will be green. Oh, my backdrop is perfect for St. Patrick's Day. House number 1, I'm going in. Really, that's your trap? I'm in and out, without a doubt. That one was a snap. Ooh. I see a mousetrap. Didn't work. And now I think it's getting worse. A shoebox on a stick? I'll dance a jig and still escape. We leprechauns are quick. I wonder if anybody's gonna catch the leprechaun. Let's see. Another house, I fixed your shoes. They really were quite smelly. I'll eat the nuts you left as bait and leave with a full belly. Ha ha. Cleaning the shoes. Now you're talking. Look at this. It's dandelion tea, but I'm too speedy for your trap. The tea is mine for free. I know you want my pot of gold. That iron cage was clever, but I've been alive 200 years. You won't catch me ever. Now you're getting fancy, but I'll escape with twinkly toes. It's a fancy pantsy dancy. I see a lot of rhyming words in this book, do you? It seems to me an engineer has helped with this design. Too bad this little leprechaun is going to be just fine. Your entire house is one big trap, from the ceiling to the floor. Nice try indeed, but soon enough, I'll stroll right out the door. They even put a sign out front that said, totally safe place for leprechauns. Do you think it's safe? I don't know. The leprechaun be gone 3000 gave me quite a scare, but without the 4-leaf clover, I won't be caught in there. I see him. No one's caught him. What's going on? You'll never catch this leprechaun. Impossible, that's a fact. Unless one day a brilliant child designs the perfect trap. Do you think you could make a trap to catch the leprechaun? Maybe that's something you could do at your house. Maybe get some things from around your house and make a trap. Let's see what's happening. Oh. But who will that child be? Better luck next year. Yep, they didn't catch him. But like I said, maybe you can come up with some cool contraption at your house to catch the leprechaun. If so, send them my way, because I want to catch that guy too, because I could use a little bit of that gold. Have a great day, guys, and happy St. Patrick's Day.